As we've made our way up the Oregon coast, we've enjoyed a steady diet of beautiful, gorgeous natural surroundings, from awesome beachfronts to forest, creeks, all sorts of things. But a man can only take that so long before he needs a heavy dose of big metal and complicated machinery. So it was time for a guy day. We headed from the coast. First we stopped at Lincoln City, and got to do some clothes shopping. There's a nice string of outlet malls there. She likes Columbia sportswear and stuff like that, so it was a good stop there. And then we headed inland a bit from the coast to the Evergreen Aviation and Space Museum, home of the world's largest seaplane ever built, the Spruce Goose, built by Howard Hughes. So I thought I'd just give you a quick video here showing the grounds and a little bit some photos and a little bit of video clips I took inside on my phone. Not the greatest quality, but it'll give you a gist of what's in there. Here we are from above, and the cool thing about this museum is they let RVers boondock in this back parking lot here. Huge back parking lot, and you can boondock free for 2 nights while you enjoy the grounds. The outside grounds are free, and you can see there's all sorts of planes scattered around to go look at. And then you can go in and enjoy the aviation museum and also a space museum. So there you go. Let's go to the video. I'll give you a quick look around. Just give you a quick look at the grounds here at the Evergreen Aviation Museum. This is the main building here that houses the Howard Hughes Spruce Goose, the giant plane, plus a ton of other planes and exhibits in there. Come around here to the parking lot for the visitors. Over here they have a building that houses a theater. We went in there and saw a neat 3D film about space, so it has a bunch of different movies playing all day. And then across over here is another large building, and that's the Space Museum. And it has all sorts of information about the space program, both Russian and American space program. Really cool exhibits, lots of little films to watch. And then back here is the large back parking lot area, and that's where you can boondock on the pavement with your RV for free for 2 nights. Quite nice of them to allow that. So it's nice flat boondocking, easy to level up, and you're camped right near some planes. Really cool. Then you can walk around the grounds. There's lots of outside exhibits to take in. And over this way is actually kind of a back hiking area, kind of a garden area. Really cool. So tickets were $27 each for a day pass. You get a wristband. You can go in and out of the buildings, and that includes 1 movie. We have AAA, so you get $4 off each for that. So it's $46 for the pair of us. And then you can see this tail sticking out of a 747 jumbo jet. Let me go over and show you what that's all about. Come on, Angie. Just taking the dog for a walk in the morning before we leave. So this is the entrance here, and access for the RV is super good. Nice wide roads coming in, big turns, no problems at all. It's just off the highway here. Over here you see a jumbo 747 on top of a roof of a water park. That's pretty cool. There's even slides coming out of the jet up there. Thought that was pretty neat when I saw that. So here's the front of the main building. Big wall of glass, so you can actually see right inside. You can see the Spruce Goose sitting there. And outside they have a bunch of fighter jets. It's a Blue Angel jet. There's the route to the back parking lot. And again, the theater here. And they have another 747 sitting around. There's the inside of the Space Museum building. Well, this was a great side trip out from the coast. Maybe about a 40-minute drive out here. I spent a couple nights, visited the museum. A really cool spot. Highly recommend it if you're in the area. Stop in and check it out. Till next time, Ray from loveyourrv.com. Thanks for watching, everyone. Cheers.